If you are encountering the virus scan field error in Google Chrome, it typically indicates an issues with downloading files. Here is how you can troubleshoot and fix this problem. So let's get started. Firstly, open Google on your desktop, then tap on the three dot option available in the top right corner of your screen. Now, from the drop down menu, at the bottom, tap on the settings option available there, then navigate to the Google settings. Now, once inside the Google settings, you can see privacy and security in the left hand side panel. Then from there, tap on the delete browsing data option available. Simply tap on the cookies and cache and other site data option available. Then tap on the date option available at the top and make sure to use all time. Then tap on the clear data option available there. Then wait for a few moments for all your data to be cleared. So now once done, again from the left hand side panel, tap on the extension option available at the bottom. Now from the extension, remove any unnecessary extensions you have downloaded on your Google Chrome. You can simply see remove option available there. Then again tap on the remove to confirm it. Then once done, simply go back to the privacy and security option available. Then from there tap on the reset settings from the left hand side panel. Resetting Chrome can fix configuration issues. Now simply tap on the reset settings and open the Chrome again and try doing the virus scan. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.